The Turbo Wizard in SEnuke XCr is a super fast campaign creator. It takes literally less than 30 seconds to create a whole link building campaign that will build high quality links for you on autopilot for days. While the SEnuke XCr Wizard gives you a lot more control over exactly how you would like your campaign structured, the Turbo Wizard takes away control and replaces it with speed of execution. So to get to the Turbo Wizard, all you have to do is click this Turbo Wizard button, and this screen pops up. To start off, simply enter the URLs that you would like to promote in the money site details box. We recommend a maximum of 3 URLs per campaign. We also recommend specifying internal pages of a website as opposed to just building links to your root domain. This has shown to give better results time and time again. In the keywords box, you can put as many keywords as you would like. We initially used to recommend only putting 3 keywords in here, but after Google's Panda and Penguin updates, it has become more and more imperative that you build links with a large variety of keywords. The keywords should be specified in order of difficulty, with the most difficult keyword entered first. We recommend throwing in keywords like "click here" to add to your anchor text variety. You can also add keywords in here with spin syntax if you would like. You have two options for the type of content that will be used in your link building campaign. Low quality content is basically content downloaded from article directory sites and auto-spun using spinning software. The result is very unique content that isn't quite legible. This type of content is not meant for humans to read. Or you can choose high quality content. High quality content is what we recommend, and this involves using the article builder service to download an article related to your niche that is spun by humans. This option will produce very unique articles with near perfect English because there is no auto spinning involved. So to select article builder, all you have to do is select a category that is most closely related to your niche. If you don't find the exact category that you want, don't worry, just pick a related category and you will get just as good results. This tags field over here takes a minimum of 3 tags. Tags are words that are used to describe your website. So in this case, we're going to use SEO, software, link building. The next step is to pick a name for this campaign. This is an optional field, and if left blank, will auto-generate a name for this campaign using your keywords. The template is the heart and soul of your entire link building campaign. This template tells SEnuke exactly how to build links to your website using the various modules that SEnuke supports. You can either pick from the provided templates in the drop-down list, or you can design your own template using the wizard. Template creation is in the wizard's project linking tab. So let me open the wizard. You would press this button to open the wizard. Now, template creation is in the project linking tab. If you would like to get to the project linking tab quickly without filling in the rest of the wizard first, simply double click the bear mascot on the first page. This will fill the wizard with test data so that you can simply jump to the project linking tab. Once you get to that tab, you can design your link diagram and save it as a .xml file that can be used by the Turbo Wizard. So for this example, I'm just going to drag and drop a social network project, connect it to the money site, drop a social bookmark project, and connect it to the social network project. For a detailed tutorial on how to create these diagrams and what all the various options mean, please watch the wizard tutorial. Once you're done creating your diagram, all you have to do is press the save button and save that as a .xml file, and then the Turbo Wizard is going to be able to open that .xml file. You can also open any of the provided templates using the Wizard's diagram designer. So in the Turbo Wizard, we see the names of these templates. Let's open the advanced pyramid template just to show you what the template looks like. This is what the exact template looks like. Now if you have no idea which template to pick, we recommend the full Monty template, which gives you the largest amount of link coverage using all the various modules in SEnuke. Let's move on to the next field. A profile is a collection of usernames and passwords for the sites. The number of profiles field tells SEnuke how many accounts to create per website. Before posting content with your links, SEnuke will obviously need to create an account at each website. You can choose to create multiple accounts at each site, which will give the impression of different people building links to your website. Now, although this is a great tactic to make your link building look natural, the more account profiles you choose to create, the longer your campaign will take to run, as it can take a considerable amount of time to create each profile depending on the template you choose. Moreover, each profile will increase your CAPTCHA solving costs. We recommend that most users just stick with one profile. The last three settings will tell SEnuke how long you would like to run your link building campaign. Most link building campaigns are suited for a 7-day stretch. Simpler campaigns can be done in 1 day. If you're in a rush for links, then you can run the entire campaign in 1 day, but depending on the template type, that might look unnatural to Google and other search engines and raise some alarms with them depending on how many links your site normally gets on a daily basis. Now just pick a start date and start time and press the Create Campaign button. Then just sit back and relax as SEnuke creates your entire link building campaign by generating content for you, creating an email address, and interlinking everything automatically. Once the Turbo Wizard is done, it will create a wizard project for you in the appropriate campaign. That wizard project can be manually opened and edited to further tweak your settings and export another project with the same settings if you so choose. That is how fast it is to create a complex link building campaign using the brand new Turbo Wizard.